We're going horseback riding. So excited. I'm in my horse riding fit, minus the backpack. We're finally here after like 4 hours. I think we have to walk a little bit further down. Oh my god, I gotta pee so bad. Same. So exciting. Are you sure it's not this? I'm so excited. This has been my dream since I was a little girl. I'm kind of scared, but like, so many nerves. How would you rate our horseback riding?
10 out of 10. I love that.
It made my butt hurt pretty bad.
Yeah, same.
But my horse was gorgeous. Marquis, I'll miss you.
What was the name of my horse?
It started with a P, I think. Polly? I don't know. Oh my god, look. Isn't that so pretty?
No, we were there pretty.
Look at that. Anyways, now we're starving girlies. We're gonna go get some snacks now.
We're gonna get a snuffed meal. So technically I have like 4 meals.
Well, I will be getting whatever I want. It's my world.
Should I get this?
Is that what you want?
No.
Okay, then don't get it. We're back at the same shop. I think I'm getting the caprese sandwich, but they have beef burritos, chicken Caesar wraps, which I kind of want, but I think I'm gonna get this instead.
Pistachio granola parfait. Why do I have a sweet tooth?
I think because we're cycle sisters right now.
Is beef burrito good?
You should get it so I can have a bite.
Alright. I'm gonna get a drink too.
I think so.
I'll just get this again.
Probably the same thing. Pellegrino.
I want a Diet Coke.
Sure. I want to see what's on the menu.
Well, it's getting old anyways, like this view. Not like that, I mean like
Wow.
your name and signature here. And life jacket. A whistle has been provided, so if you're floating like you're in the Titanic, just make sure you blow the whistle.
So, Rita's DD'd right now.
Shelby, get in paddle boat.
Oh my god, she sweared. Anyways, we are being...
Shelby, we're about to go the other direction. Now
we are
we have to do the work all over again. This guy.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, why don't we go like this?
No, because it'll tip if we lean. Okay, try it.
Really?
We are just so outdoorsy. We are outdoorsy gals.
We love nature.
We love the outdoors. Now we're canoeing on Lake Louise after that beautiful horseback riding. This is so peaceful.
Beautiful.
Yes, you are. But this is so peaceful. Like, just listen. Even I noticed when we were up in the mountains, it was, yeah, you couldn't even hear bugs. It was crazy. Same thing. Golden hour. Anyways, can't get enough of the view. There it is. In our canoe. With my riding boots.
Shelby!
Oh my gosh, look at how blue and beautiful the water is. It's so clear. This is the second time I'm trying to film this the second time, but Rita's blasting her music. Anyways, I'm in my riding boots from this morning. Guess where I got them from? I got them from Saks, but my grandma got them from Saks. And I stole them from her. But that's the Fairmont, the Lake Louise one. The one that we were at yesterday was the one in BANFF. So I think the BANFF one is honestly cuter, but this is still really pretty.
No, I just
Seriously?
maybe we should get like pull the fabric as a blanket. I don't know.
Okay, seriously, you're not funny.
I'll have another drink.
Okay, yay! Have a drink.
Bro, you're literally like if someone had an aneurysm and you open their brain, you're the aneurysm.
Or y'all.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I'm also very... You know how many empty promises this man has given you? No, that's not like a tactic to like throw at him. I'm saying that to you. Like you still talk to
He's gonna
him.
send me $1,000.
Aneurysm. It's okay. It's okay. I can get. I can get. Why don't we just go to a bar?
I'm down.
Oh my God,
I'm down.
No one got
No, dude, these drinks are like.
But I got as a double.
My margarita was like. It's not like they're all like bougie bars.
That's okay. I'm not saying no.
Oh, we might as well go to a bar at the Fairmont.
No, I don't care about money. Look how we look right now.
Who cares?
You guys look Fairmont. I look not Fairmont.
He's riding a horse. Adam's like laughing because I'm riding a horse.
We have the same lips.
No, I have a cold sore.
Can I?
I have a cold
No, you
sore.
don't. No, you don't.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, that's the ghetto.
You're not okay. It's not.
You're a freak.
Hey.
Look at my hat hair. You have a bag? Since when?
He's not really a babe. We've never met each other. We've never met.
Is that the guy you just showed us?
Yeah.
Do you want to meet him?
Yeah. I feel like you're preparing me for the ball.